Hello, welcome to Bell CB. I've got a Galaxy 94HP. I've actually got two of them for you today. These are for Richard in Texas. It's a tune-up report right now. And we also put on these red nitro knobs and gave them a high, low, and off setting. Okay, Richard, over here on this watt meter, I've got 100 watts. Let me turn that down. Got 100 watts across the top scale, coming in just a nudge over 30 there. Now I'm going to bring it 2 settings down to where we're looking at 10 here. And then I'm going to drop the power all the way down. It's all the way down about just under 5. Okay, let's bring that back up. And take a look at our peak power meter, 250 watts, like that's 100, it's 150. It's coming in this, just in here we got 10, 20 for each line there. 10 for each line. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll put it on sideband. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Put it on the end there. I don't think you saw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. Okay, let's check this out. How about it out there in Skip Down? You got a copy on Fort Lauderdale break? Well, alright, if you don't got a copy on me then. Okay, Richard, we got your second radio here. This one's serial number ends in 53, so you can keep track of which one's which. Okay, up here again, we have 100 watts across the top scale. Coming in just a touch over 30 again. And if I bring the power all the way down and bring this to a 10 watt, coming in just a touch over 4. Okay, now 250 watt slug. Power is going to be right here. That's 100, but just a little over it. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay, let's put it back on.